What's up, everybody? Von Scheller Family Experience. We're out at Grange OHV for a little dirt biking and one quad. And the Razors, the side-by-side. So, got Deegan, my nephew, and Cameron here. They're already ripping it out on their bikes. Corbin's cruising behind us on the quad. So a little fun in the dirt. What do you think, guys? Dirt's nice and
yeah.
Dirt's pretty good, huh?
Yeah.
Rain the last couple days. It's
not too muddy. It's actually good.
Yeah, it's not that muddy. There's some puddles here and there, but
yeah.
no dust.
Back in there was like a huge puddle that we saw.
Did you go through it?
What?
Why didn't you go through it? Get stuck in the middle of it?
No.
All right, Corbin. What do you think, Deegan? Deegan's ripping it on the 110. Stepping it up, huh? Think we can get Cameron on it?
Yeah. That's what Dad asked.
Oh, you want to step up the 110, huh? Just skip the 65, go straight to the 110? No, come on. Don't be scared. All right, let's do some riding. Right when you come in up top, they got a nice little kids track, you know, for the 50s and the 65s. So the boys are just kind of cruising around on it. Nice little easy track. You get kids out here with training wheels and beginners. So a nice little track for the kids just to kind of learn on out here at Grange. Well, we got Cameron on Deegan's Honda 110, and he's liking it. He was on the 50, now he's out ripping it on the 110. Having a bigger wheel, electric start, sure does make it nice. And he's a little scared of it at first, but he's on it now. He's liking it, so let's check him out, ripping it around the track now. Okay, we got a little Corbin going out on his little PW50. Yeah. Just for a little bit. You're gonna go around the track though, right?
No.
Yeah, go out to the track. Come on, it's much smoother. Okay, go. Come on, Ryder. Sun is setting, getting a little chilly out, so we are packed up and get ready to head out. There we go. You done yet? Take forever.